Public School District Supervisor, Dr. Janet B. Mabusig. Supporting Principal of this school, Dr. Leila M. Tan. Ever active and workaholic teaching staff of this humble institution, PTA officers headed by PTA President Emily C. Barangay officials headed by Punong Barangay Edson Serra, supported by proud parents, fellow graduates, visitors and friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. Today is a memorable day for all of us because we have just ended an episode of our lives because another school year had passed. This is a wonderful day for me and I feel very proud to give this Thanksgiving remarks as a representative of our class batch 2022-2022. May I draw this morning address upon the wisdom of a famous author. What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is difference what we have made to the lives of others that will determine significance of life we live. The difference we have made to the lives of others, to our families, to our friends, to strangers we have met, define who we are. Of course, we would not have been able to reach this stage without you, our beloved teachers and people who help us, and who, without any reservations, and expecting nothing in return. Gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa aming pag-aaral, sa aming mga magulang na nagsumikap at matugunan ang aming pangangailangan. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal sa aming mga guro na walang sawang gumagabay sa amin. Kayo ang humulma sa aming pagkatao, sa aming mga guro mula kinder hanggang grade 6. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sakripisyo ninyo. To my classmates and my co-awardees, now I could simply say that we are now empowered and productive pupils, that we could face new challenges towards new horizon. For I believe that we are now equipped with educate, knowledge and skills in preparation in important roles we have to play in society, and most especially to turn into reality the purpose of our national hero, that we indeed can be the hope of our beloved country. Personally, I would like to thank my family. Thank you for supporting me, guiding me to the right path, and for molding me to become a good person. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you, Ian.